There is no world without cross-border investments. China had the time and it happened. Nigeria, it happened. Wall Street, it happened. Sometimes it flies in, flies out. But the truth is, cross-border is one strategic way to always be on top of the game. Welcome to our cross-border investment opportunities. As we begin our journey in keeping our wealth and managing our wealth, it's time we take ourselves from the corridors of where we can see to all the iconic places where the research has been done, and we can see generations to come, irrespective of what happens. There is always going to be capital appreciation and massive cash flow. And that is why Grace Ofure took a journey out of my comfort zone to go locate, study, understand more of investment opportunities. And I want you to be a part of it. So if you're thinking of earning in dollar, in pounds, in euro, even in naira, then welcome to our cross-border investment opportunities. We're here to not only show you, but to work with your budget and see that your money is having so much value. No one is blind, and we know how you have to go through a lot to make this money, and that is why we want the money to begin to work for you. And we found a choice investment location that with just $50,000 you can begin to also now earn in hard currency. Reach out to us and let us work with you as we get your money doing the work for you.